Harvest Right has improved the science behind freeze drying. Now you can freeze dry your homegrown garden produce, create the perfect emergency food supply, save leftovers for fast and easy meals later, make lightweight camping and backpacking meals that taste great, and easily create healthy snacks that you and your kids will love to eat. The Harvest Right freeze dryer is easy to use. Simply prepare your fresh or cooked foods, slide the trays into the freeze dryer, and push start. The freeze dryer freezes the food to 40 degrees below zero. The vacuum pump automatically turns on and creates a powerful vacuum around the food. As the trays gradually warm, while the food is still frozen, a process called sublimation occurs, which removes water from the food. This is what allows the food to keep its original shape, flavor, and nutrition. The process takes between 20 to 36 hours. Smart sensors determine when the food is completely dry and alert you with a beep. The process is entirely automatic. Once freeze-dried, the food can be eaten immediately or stored for use at a later date. Because freeze-drying is the very best method for preserving food, when properly stored, freeze-dried foods actually have a shelf life of up to 25 years. When you're ready to eat it, simply add water. The food will regain its original fresh flavor, texture, and appearance. Many foods taste amazing in their freeze-dried state. You're going to love the Harvest Right freeze dryer. This one-of-a-kind freeze dryer allows a family to preserve the meals, fruits, vegetables, meats, and snacks they love to eat. Freeze drying is remarkable because, unlike other methods of preserving, it doesn't shrink or toughen food and retains flavor, color, shape, and nutritional content. The reasons to own a freeze dryer are endless. Start freeze drying at home today.